Here is how you're going to grid your paper. You need a ruler. First, you're going to take the top of your page and line it up. You'll on 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, 7 inch, 8 inch. Typically, a regular size piece of paper is 8.5 inches, so you have a little extra left over. That's okay. You want to do it on the inch. Your ruler better start at 1 inch. Make sure it starts head down to the bottom of your paper. You're going to line it up again at the bottom. You'll do 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, you should have that 1/2 inch kind of left there. Then you are going to match up the first marker with the second marker. You are going to draw as light as you possibly can because you will be erasing these lines. So super, super light. I went over that super, super light. You can see where my marks are versus my pencil mark. I'm going to do the next one. I'm going to line this one up and this one up. I'm literally holding my hands sprawled out on this ruler so that it doesn't move anywhere. I'm going super, super light. See how light my marks, my tick marks are darker than that. Okay, I'm doing it again. I'm going to do it 8 times because we have 8 inches. Again, I'm holding my thumb out, my middle finger out, and I'm drawing it down. I'm going to move it over, line them both up. I see both marks. I'm going to go very lightly. You can see they are perfectly spaced. If yours are not perfectly spaced, erase them and redraw them. Okay, you can also do this with a straight edge, like from a notebook or something like that. Here's a notebook. I've got a straight edge, like it's got to be wide enough actually. That's not wide enough. Whoops, so that's not going to work. Find a book that's also wide enough. On your phone, you could have something that shows a ruler, but you will need a straight edge to draw your lines with. Okay, so here's my final. Okay, that's one direction. Now I'm turning my page so it's the long direction. I'm going to count up to 11. I'm starting on the same side. So it's 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I should have 1 inch left over. I'm bringing my ruler all the way down to the bottom of my paper. Same. I'm lining up to the end, and I'm going to make my marks 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, it's the big mark on here. Like, then, same thing. I'm taking my ruler, lining up the 2 marks. I'm taking my time. I've got my hands sprawled out again to hold the whole entire ruler down. I'm going extremely light over my grid. Same thing again, extremely light over my grid. Light, 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 light. Okay, light again. So you'll start seeing my squares. Make sure you are going light. I cannot express that enough. Head light on your paper. Okay. I'm going to go all the way across so you can see what it looks like in the end. Let's see my nice gridded paper. I'm sure you might have done, I tried to get everybody to do 8 by 11 for their image so that we can draw it out well on this paper. Okay, do not, okay, so here is my nice grid now.